This is the apartment complex job. First aid kit I always keep in the truck. Basically a tourniquet and Israeli bandages.
Trauma wound dress.
Yeah.
You just put it on.
Yeah.
Tight.
Yeah, there you go. And then you get it tight and then you lock it in that little plastic thing on the side.
Thing there.
Yep.
And then you write
There you go.
Pull it on, tighten it up, twist, 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 put it in.
Oh, that dumpster smells so bad. We're just gonna pull a truck right through here, if that's cool. Okay. Oh man, why is it gonna be raining? For some reason they really wanted these trees cut down. I don't quite get it.
Yeah, they don't seem like they're right.
I know. They could have just been pruned. But he was like, really, like, we gotta get these trees down. A tree is a hackberry. One of two in this little courtyard area.
Does this pile look right to you?
Yeah, man. Are you ready for some more cuts?
Yep.
We got a couple more. Alright, this is kind of weird, but this neighboring tree is right here. So I'm just gonna hook onto it. Get something more solid than this little spindly dude. Oh, that's good. Alright. Yeah, that's perfect, man.
What are you saying?
I think we just got a couple more cuts on this.
Okay.
I think I'll take down this big branch. And then, yeah, there's only a few more pieces.
Sounds good.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Does it look like this last piece is clear to you?
It's clear?
Like if I cut it, it's clear?
Yeah, it's not gonna hit. Like, it's barely touching.
Okay. There we go.
Fine.
There we go. All right, that's it for that tree.
All right.
I kind of buried you and stuff, but.
It's all right. Just gotta fish the chainsaw.
All right, now I'm just looking at this other one, and it looks like with one piece rigged, I can get a lot of stuff down here in the courtyard. And actually right here, I can get this stuff down, so I'm just gonna wait on him. Is it acting weird?
No, it's fine. A little weird, but I can figure it out.
Okay. I'm going up this dude next, but I think I need like a rigging line, so I think we can get him to throw it up here. Yeah, it can like easily get in the pile and get chopped up and stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, that's perfect.
Good.
Yep. Alright, so the anatomy of this job is kind of two parts. There is a big old crazy courtyard in there. It needs all kinds of stuff pruned. There's like six buildings, maybe 8 buildings. And then we just have these 2 hackberries to do. Isaac's working ground and just knocking it out. I'm sitting up here just talking because he's working. And I'm still in tree number 1. I think I'm gonna kind of 86 like some of the limbs on tree number 2 just from here, just because I'm right here, before I pop into the other tree. Swamp you. I'm gonna put these 2 down right here. These guys.
Yeah.
All right, while you're doing that, I'm gonna switch over to the other tree.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, planted.
Little visual of what would happen if it fell on you.
All right, what do you think about that one right there? Clear drop?
Yeah, clear.
With a little bit of tip?
Yeah,
okay.
It's not even touching the roof.
It's not even touching?
Yeah. And there'll be a couple leaves that brush against it.
All right. I'll try to tip it down a little bit.
Here we go. That's not how it's supposed to fall, right?
No, that's a tip cut. That's good.
That is how it's supposed to
Yeah,
fall?
so I can do like a straight drop
Yeah.
with 2 cuts, but that was just a top cut, so it peels. Okay. And that way there's no chance of it going toward the building. Freeing the ropes. Man, this is like deluxe. Perfect, thank you.
Yeah.
And then it redirects off this limb. So if you get the blue rope and you pull it, I'm gonna hinge it so it goes this way, and then we can lower it right in here.
So all I'm doing is pulling.
But not until we're ready.
Okay.
So
you'll yell pull, and I pull.
Yeah. Face cut. I'll open it up right here, and then I'll do a back cut, and then it'll start to kind of. Then you kind of pull it, and all we need to do is just move it into the gap, and then you can just kind of lower it or let it go or whatever. And move the saw, because it's going to cover your saw. It shouldn't take too much pull. It's pretty light. Isaac and I have worked together on jobs many times, but usually just hauling stuff out. This is day 1 on the chainsaw, day 1 on the ropes. We did watch a tourniquet application video, or at least he did. It's kind of like talking about blood flow. There you go. A little more like tension it. See what kind of pull you got. Like if you really pull it, yeah, that's pretty good. All right, I'm gonna give it a face cut.
All right.
And then the back cut.
Yeah.
Hold on. All right, now see what kind of pull you got. A little bit. Let me cut it a little more. I'll cut it a little more. There we go. There we go. Awesome. You can let her down. Good job, bro. Awesome. And that's cool. Just take your time to move it around and stuff.
Yeah.
Good job. Was it heavy?
Yeah.
He rigged it down. You got us a lineman. Ah, he did a good job. All right, we roped down. He roped down. Isaac did. The big limb that was over the structure. You can see it's just. Yeah. You can maybe flip it over into the open area.
I'm just trying to cut it down as best I can.
That's good. That's good. And then some of these guys, I think I can kind of slash them down. Basically, the rest of the tree is this dude. I think there's room. There might be room for this stuff. We'll see. But most importantly, he did a sweet job on the rope. All right, you mind if I cut a bunch more stuff, or you want me to wait?
No, keep going.
Okay. More?
Yeah, go
Okay.
free.
Okay.
If you cut it all down, we can just both trim it up together.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
At this point. feel like I gotta cut that one in half.
Yeah.
Just so that it doesn't hit the building? You think so?
That's probably a good idea.
Okay.
Unless you could have it fall right towards me, but it looks like it's leaning.
Well, I don't have a rope on it. I'm just gonna cut it in half.
Yeah. Nice cuts.
Yeah, thank you. Ground crew has not been slacking. Awesome. Where does it look like it wants to go to you?
Where does it look like it wants to go?
Yeah, like if it fell. Right this way?
I feel like it might go backwards.
We can't have that. The higher you push from, the more leverage you'll have. So if you can like push from up here.
Yeah.
You got some pushability now? A little bit?
Little. There we go.
That's it. Watch out. Okay. That's okay.
New York pizza today.
That's what I'm talking about.
Well, good thing I didn't have to Israeli bandage you. I hit your. This one would fuck you up too.
Some of the worst cuts I've had have been with
from
the handsaw.
Really?
Because you're so careful with the chainsaw. And you're like, oh, it's just a handsaw. Next thing you know, you cut your rope, cut your wrist, stick it through your leg.
I mean, is this thing sharp?
Yeah.
So, like sharp, like if you touch it, it'll cut you, or sharp, like if you hit against it?
Like hit.
Hit.
It's pretty sharp though. All right, let's do this little bush here.
Like probably every move, we at least dinged a wall.
Oh my god.
Have you ever picked up a fold-out couch?
Oh yeah, and it moves and everything and springs.
So we were moving one of those.
So he's on one side of the couch.
He's on one side of the couch, and which tree are we going to?
Just down, keep going.
And we're moving it out of this apartment building. It's got these really tight stairwells. So we're like flipping it. It's me, him, and his cousin.
Yeah.
Because the guys who were doing it called us. We had these like soft guys do this move. They couldn't do it. So we show up to help. And we're taking it down this corner. And Taylor trips. And we just, like, the couch just goes. And Eddie is like, shit. It jumps out of the way, understandably. And then the couch and Eddie just go through the wall. But then the lady we're moving it for, she's like, oh, I'm moving out. I don't care. Oh. So we just grabbed it, took it outside, and left.
And whatever.
This apartment building just couch-shived a hole in the wall.
Oh, he did?
I think Henry's backed out. She just graduated.
He's coming down right on top of you.
Was just trying to get her like shit home. Born, yeah. So it's like it's gonna be.
It's like a serious.
Shit.
I'm gonna see what's in there. Oh, it's just garbage. It's just it's a microwave. It's just garbage, but there was probably like refrigerator food and stuff.
Yeah.
We got the nastiest dumpster. I don't know where he's going. I thought he was gonna get this stuff. He's gonna do the whole complex. Oh yeah, he's coming back. He's coming back. Oh no, he's going. He's doing the whole complex. He's doing it all. I kind of thought he was just gonna do like around the trailer, but he's doing it all. All right, not necessarily how-to video, but just a story of how we did the apartment job.
Need me to move or?
No, we can get it. We might move one cone, but we're good. Yeah, thank you.
Like they have to move their van anyways.
Thanks for the job, dude.
No worries.
Thanks for the help.
Pretty easy, not too bad.
It's like so much better with you helping. I can't even tell you. You're dragging all that stuff by myself.
That's good.
Plus you rubbed that limb down. That was awesome.